Bobby. Pick your team number 5. Good luck. Alright, let's do a guess on this one, guys. Guess the auto for 20. Go. Guess the auto for 20. If I had to take a guess, I'm going to go with... I'm trying to think of a random guess here. You know what? I'll say Penix. Is Penix live or is your redemption in this? I'll say Penix. Alright, good luck, guys. There's a nice roam for Clint on the True Red. $99, Brian Thomas. Oh, it's a Brian Thomas rookie recruit auto. Sick. There's the other Cameron Peterson. Welcome back, Cameron Peterson. It's Tank. What do you guess, Brian Thomas? I didn't realize there were insert autos there. Jordan on the blue. Shipley, hollow. Electricity, Kobe Turner. Come on, we need to see a big Jaden or something. Come on, Baker. Corley on the Aqua. Pandora. It's Zay Flowers. Steve B. Nice hit. Nice second year Zay to 30. 25, excuse me. Cousin Puka again. We're going to end it on a velocity of Musgrave. And there's a lad. I'm trying to get you some, Clint. I'm trying. Now, in all fairness, I don't think I've seen any Caleb's, nor have I seen any Daniels. We got you, Clint. I'm not worried about it, Clint. We got you. It's coming. Alright, so we're almost halfway through this case. And honestly, guys, we haven't seen anything big out of this case yet. Saw an insert gold of Joe Milton. I don't consider that massive. That was number 5, guys. Number 6 will be next, and then we can focus on Phoenix if you guys want to do some Phoenix.